Welcome to the madness where we find ourselves today. A field out there where we've been at. There's several homes out there. We're thinking maybe a servant's bell we found. Don't know. Could be anything. Because they held a dinger, clacker. That looks cool right there, that rock. I don't know if you can see it. Grim Bleeper down the other end, working this way. This stuff is crap. But we're going to try to get some of it. Found a real nice old brass door lock, great big chunky thing. I got that down there on the bank. And a large square chunk of lead, I guess, with a hole in it for a decoy maybe. But we're going to hit some of these spots here. We can't go much further than this because of the sloppity slop. But yeah, look at that tangle. It's been a mess. We're going to hit it though. Today, it's not my day. It's battle scars. I mean, it's all over too. It's everywhere. I said forget that. They got target here though. We hitting our targets over that way. See the hills, there's one here, one along here, and another one over that way. Had to walk a little ways, and got wheat planted here, but he said it's perfectly fine. Yeah, seagulls. Said, if there was a tornado somewhere over here is Bobby. Let's see, I'll leave this target here for now. Let's see if we can get eyes on him. This is not fun to walk in. And it's even worse down in the water. Oh. Ooh. Little antler. Might even call that just a horn. I don't know where he's at. He said he's got a big deep hole. Him over there anywhere. But that's what I went through, that garbage. And I didn't even make it, 20 feet though. Just a foot over down the bank, it gets the mush. I'm gonna say I seen something bent over down there, but it's not Bobby. I don't know where he got to. I did find a bullet in the water. Yeah, he called and said he had a deep hole. But yeah, going through that right there. That was horrible. Stuff up along the bank because right out here it's all soup. Soup. No crabs. Good rockfish and trout river though. I will say that perch had the yin yang. Oh, I see Bobby. There he is. Seen his butt sticking out over there. That it? Where is his butt? It's right above. It's right in here somewhere. Where's he? See? Oh, he's trying to hide. He's in that crap. Good. I'll pop in there. We'll go see him. I went ahead and dug a hay. Seen it pop out on my way out to get him. I don't know what that would be. Yeah, that's the crap we got to go through. Mess. Huh. No idea. We're getting to some good old stuff. There was one old home here. We know there was a school just down the ways there a little bit. Huh. It's interesting, huh? Oh, sorry. Interesting, huh? A doodad. Anyway, so we'll go in the pocket of everything. We'll go find Bobby, get some footage on him. This wasn't even planted. Yeah, he's got wheat planted. You see it there. But he says, go ahead and dig. It's just cover crop, so we're not hurting anything. All right, let's get at it. It's in its natural habitat. Look at it. Just sneak up on him. Get a kill shot. He doesn't know we're here yet. Look at him. He's gone. He thinks he's hidden. He's supposed to play dead next. Watch. Oh, we got him. He'd be on my wall by this evening. Let's go see this hole. That ain't no hole.
Huh?
That ain't no hole. Oh.
Kind of bottle.
Really? Man. Huh. I found an antler.
Sitting on top of the wood.
Antler.
I found that right on the other side of that tree.
Huh. Just sitting on top of the ground.
Yep.
Where that rock is.
No.
There's a nice rock there.
Fall down. Over there by that stump. My footprints went through there.
Mm-hmm.
Right over there by that stump. I looked it down and hit it with a shovel, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, that might be a piece of metal. That's glass.
Oh, went to battle over there. I got made about 20 feet. Oh man, you got brick over there too.
You gotta have backhoe down there. That sucker's still down. That sucker's that
Piece
deep.
of pipe or whatever that is.
That one was shallow, and it read a 30, and I still ain't found it.
You'll be down there deep. You got to go on in. Long forever. Looks like a structure right over here. It shouldn't be there. I wonder what it is. That'd be sneaky stuff. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, we just dug in 83. There it is. See it in there? It's right there. I'm sure it's going to be a penny. Indian. So we're on some old coins. The Native American coin.
Yeah.
Right there she is. You see the date on that.
That's clean. Just talking about that.
1903.
Somebody was here.
Pow. Yes, sir. That's a good little
We're
coin.
talking about pennies when you get one. I got something over here. It's all 24. It's probably nothing.
Going to get her. Yeah, swing.
Probably another ring.
Alright, hit number 2. Look at him. Another one right there. There's the other hole. See a little dark spot? Right to here. Let's pop him out of there. Look at that. That's another Indian. Let's get it. I want to get you. Yeah, one-handed. This is a challenge. I'll check that little claw in a minute. But is that that's a regular penny.
What year is that?
I don't know, a wheat penny, but let's see. I can see it. What is it, guys? You see that? I might have rubbed off too much to be able to see it. It ain't gonna be that old. It might be close, but wheats go back there regular ways. 1915, I'd say. Does that look right to you guys? Sorry about that. Sounds like we may have a knob. Got us a relic find over here. Alright, now, that was a good target, huh? All those noises. That's fun, isn't it? Old brass knob. Or something.
Yeah. It's got some kind of stuff on it. It might be smashed up or something.
We'll call it smooshed.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah. Looks like a knob to me.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna really butcher it up now.
And that's just what we do.
This makes it valuable when you do things like this.
Detail. Yeah, it's a knob, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Back in it.
Better than nothing. I'm on my way to making furniture.
Sweet. Antique furniture.
Antique.
A watch face. 81. What in the world? Look at that thing. Does it say Rolex? I ain't so sure she ain't gold plated though. I mean, she come out of the ground like that.
Yeah. Good old Timex.
All this stuff going out of her anyway.
What'd that come up on?
81.
So far, ain't been no beeps for the hump back there.
That one right there.
Little piece of metal.
Dang. Pretty though.
Yeah.
It's good to see something gold colored.
Yeah.
Rumor has it, Bobby has found a coin. I hope it doesn't say copy on it. Looks like a Bitcoin. What?
About time I get something. Daggone it.
Man, that's it.
It's got something on there. See the ready.
Is it copper? Or,
I don't know, it might be. Yeah, let's see a green.
man, the size of a farthing. That'd be weird.
Well, if I found it, it would be.
This looks like some kind of nickel.
Something. It's got some kind of. It's got a picture. It's got like a. It's like a crown or something there. I don't know. I've been going through here. There's been nothing. Absolutely nothing, and this it.
Can you peek at it? Sure. Put it on here anyway.
Wait, blow it up, see something.
Man, it's weird size. Man, it can't be a 2-cent piece.
It's unique.
Yeah, I dropped it. Look at that. Here it is. Look at that. You believe that crap? My coin.
That's a good one. -2.
Yeah, 2-cent piece.
What do you think that might be?
I know what it is. It's like one of my coin I've been after for a long time.
Oh, it's got a 1 and a 2 on it.
It's got a 2.
Yeah.
A 2-cent piece. Mega rare.
Yeah.
Show that to D. Darn.
You check her out. Got a 2-cent piece, buddy.
Real.
I've been looking and hit nothing but junk. I got a 2.
Oh, guys, what do you think? A zipper or wheel? Striker? No. It's come up an 81. Died on the desk. Using my die program, slightly modified for finding silver and goodies. And it works fantastic usually. A lot of iron in here. I mean, this was the old house. I got like 7 window weights right there in one little spot. And it sounds like he would swinging right across a hardwood floor like I do at home with my coins. It's like a machine gun going off all the iron. But right here to the outside it got quiet, and like I said, we're hitting a few little things. So we'll keep on playing. The old home was over on the other side, but we'll come back and hit all this many times, I'm sure. Look, he's out of here. And just that quick, I got some fat round. Look at that. I don't think that's a coin, but it could be a little ring or something. It's round. Get out of there, blood. Let's see what we got. It's a little brass ring. That's pretty much it. No wow factor there, folks.